Before you can publish your book on KDP, you will be asked to launch the previewer and approve how everything looks. This is where you check for formatting issues, printing errors, or anything that doesn't line up, because you won't be able to continue until you have approved it. Now, I still use the KDP previewer, of course. I mean, you kind of have to, since you can't move on without approving it. But having this extra step gives me way more confidence before I click that button, especially when it comes to spotting things that might slip through. That's why I also like to preview my book inside BookBolt. There is a built-in preview option that lets you flip through your full interior and even see how it will look on the actual page, including bleed lines, margins, and layout spacing. It's a small step, but it really helps avoid surprises, especially if you're working on a puzzle books, activity books, or anything with detailed formatting. You'll find this inside the BookBolt Designer. Once your project is open, look for the little eye icon in the top menu. It's right next to the word Settings. Click that and you will see three viewing options. We have List View for small, and then we have Large and Book View. Switch to Book View to flip through your pages like a real book and check the layout, spacing, and overall flow. And if you're not using BookBolt yet, I will leave a link below so you can try it out. It's been one of my favorite tools for putting together books that actually print the way I intended.